Hello and welcome to this week's video. So the assignment this week was to import packages and basically create our code around that. And these are some of the packages that I used. Um, import random, so random, sys, and xdice are the ones that I used. Uh, sorry. Uh, so rather than creating a whole new where is this one? A whole new program. Like I did this, which was the part 1 and 2. This was like the seventh uh, package I tried to install. But I made this, and then rather than building a whole new program around it, I went back to my program that I already had built and made things work off of the dice from the package. So you can see that I imported the package into my program, and I grabbed a couple of things. I actually don't even need this. I didn't use that dice. Um, First thing that I set equal to a dice roll. Oh, well, the coins amount is equal to the dice roll equal to the user player level of d6. So this is the first thing. So the player, or not the player, the enemy, the location enemy will their uh, their attack will be equal to a number of d6, or actually a number of dice equal to the number of dice with the faces equaling the level of the enemy being created. So, for instance, if a what's it called? If a level 1 enemy is being created, then the number of dice will be 1 and the D will be 1, so the attack will be 1. But if it is a D, or if they are a level 2 enemy, then it is a then it is 2d2. If they are a level 3 enemy, there it is 3d3, and so on and so forth. And the level is determined inside of the if statement, like for combat. No, for encounter. We have the enemy being created right here. So in here, we have a die roll variable, which will equal the user player dot level. So this will be a number of d6 equal to the user's level. Will be the die roll that it will um, set the enemy level to. So then the level is then is taken and put into that level D level algorithm, which is, so in this instance, let's say that we ended up with 1d6. It was a 3, so we ended up with a 3, so it would be 3d3. Um, One of the reasons I use random is when the enemy is defeated, right here, you have 3 different options for loot, and the area loot, or the loot, is chosen by a random choice function. And then with the attack of the loot sword being set to the level of the uh, actually, should I set it to the attack of the Potion loot sword. Loot sword dot name, loot sword dot weapon attack. Um, loot sword is equal to, so name is equal to enemy name and attack is equal to location enemy dot attack. Okay, good. So it is already set to the attack of the enemy. So basically, when you get a sword as a loot item, it will be the attack of the enemy's attack. Yeah. Let's see how all that works together, shall we? And F5. And then because I like to have a good UI, I make sure that it capitalizes your name when it adds you or when it references you. We'll accept our quest. um, so as you can see here now, we have departed on our quest. We are level 1. We are 100 level or 100 XP points from the next level. We are equipped with the training sword, which is the starting weapon, and this is our character sheet. Uh, Now, what we're going to do is now you see that we have our die roll is 3, our enemy level is set to 3, and then here you can see that our HP is set to, I think it's 3 times the level. Here's what I set the HP to. Yeah, 3 times level for HP. Attack. The level is passed into here for this roll for your attack. So that is why our attack is 8. So our roll going into here was 3d3. And that's this. Then there's another calculation that happens here, and it gives us our attack equals 8. So then we can fight. And we got 4 coins. We also have 4 HP left, and the enemy has 0. Let's move to the forest. Now we're going to fight an int that is level 1. We got 3 experience points, so we get 4, and then forest. 15 is level 5, and it has 14 attack. And we got, what did we get for? Oh, we got coins for defeating the int last time. So fight. It was 1 HP. We got a potion. So let's go status. Let's go. So one of the other things that I did change is that the potency of the potion of the loot potion, instead of it being a kind of set range, I also set it to be a roll. So the loot potion potency is equal to 4 percentage dies minus the 2 lowest rolls. So that's what this does. I'm actually going to make that 6. Now, 4 seems to be enough. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do F level our user player dot level. The so it'll equal number of percentage dice equal to. No, that won't work. We don't want to do that. What we do want to do is do this. There we go. So that will automatically give us 4d10 or 4d percentage dice um, at level 1, and then it will roll 8 at level 2, and so on and so forth, continuing on. Because it will be 3 times 4, or it will be user player level times 4, and then that will give us a number that will be into the percentage dice, and then it will get rid of our 2 lowest rolls. I think I like that. But you see that that gives us a 158 with just the 2 lowest rolls being removed and no extra fancy things being done. So let's try this again. We got an int sword now with 24 attack, but unfortunately, we are going to die. And I also fixed the quitting. But I think that pretty much covers everything. So thanks for watching.